Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam download stuck at 0 bytes. A Steam download getting stuck at 0 bytes can be frustrating, especially when everything appears connected and the download should be progressing normally. In many cases, the issue is not actually the internet connection itself. Steam may be verifying files, writing data to disk, encountering network configuration problems, or dealing with cached network information that prevents downloads from proceeding correctly. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try before resorting to a full reinstall. One of the simplest fixes is to completely close Steam and restart it. Sometimes the Steam client encounters a temporary error, loses connection to a download server, or becomes stuck during a download process. Closing the application and reopening it forces Steam to reconnect and refresh its download session. After reopening Steam, check the downloads page to see whether the download has resumed normally. If the download is still stuck at 0 bytes, the next step is to examine your network settings. Open your computer settings and navigate to Network and Internet. Within the network settings, locate Proxy. When the proxy settings page opens, look for the option labeled Automatically Detect Settings. If this option is enabled, turn it off. In some situations, automatic proxy detection can interfere with network communication or cause delays when applications attempt to connect to online services. Disabling it may allow Steam to communicate with its download servers more consistently. After changing the setting, return to Steam and check whether the download has started moving. If the download still remains at 0 bytes, it is worth checking whether Steam is actually waiting on the storage device rather than the internet connection. Open Task Manager, then navigate to the Performance tab. Here you can monitor hardware activity such as CPU, memory, network usage, and disk usage. Pay particular attention to the disk section. Sometimes Steam appears stuck at 0 bytes because it is busy unpacking, verifying, or writing files to the drive. During these moments, network activity may temporarily pause while disk activity remains high. If the disk is actively working, Steam may simply need additional time to finish processing data before the download continues. If there is little or no disk activity and the download remains stalled, another troubleshooting step is to refresh the computer's DNS cache. Open Command Prompt, CMD. You may need to run it with administrative privileges depending on your system configuration. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This command clears the stored DNS cache on your computer. DNS records help your system locate online services. If outdated or corrupted DNS information exists, it can occasionally interfere with connections to Steam's content servers. After flushing the DNS cache, restart Steam and check the download again. In many cases, one of these methods resolves the problem. It's also important to understand that a 0-byte download does not always indicate a failed download. Steam sometimes pauses downloading while verifying game files, installing downloaded content, allocating disk space, unpacking compressed files, updating existing game data. During these processes, network activity may temporarily show 0 bytes even though Steam is still working in the background. To summarize, fixing a Steam download stuck at 0 bytes begins by closing Steam completely and reopening it. If the issue persists, open Settings, Network and Internet, Proxy, and disable Automatically Detect Settings. Next, check Task Manager Performance to determine whether disk activity is occurring, since Steam may be installing or processing files rather than downloading. If the problem continues, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/flushdns to clear the DNS cache. After restarting Steam, the download should be able to reconnect and continue normally if the issue is caused by network configuration or cached DNS information. And that's how to fix a Steam download stuck at 0 bytes. By checking the Steam client, reviewing network settings, monitoring disk activity, and refreshing your DNS cache, you can resolve many of the most common causes of stalled downloads. These troubleshooting steps are quick to perform and often restore normal download behavior without requiring a full reinstall of Steam or the affected game. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.